Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you made good profit from my previous analysis. And really I was so much overwhelmed and I feel so happy when I receive messages, WhatsApp messages, comments that you all are making money from my analysis. Really I feel awesome. Anyways, right now you can see that market is trading at 1.1816. This is the current market price, and you can see that I have added few lines here on the chart. So first of all, I would like to talk about this trend line here. The trend line, which is now looks like a resistance, dynamic resistance for the market. First of all, I'm discussing about this trend line because we can see that this trend line is right now a valid resistance for the market, or at least it looks like a valid resistance for the market. And you can see that the current market price is just near the trend line here, so therefore there is a good possibility that market will be reversing from here. But on the other hand, what we generally, the thumb rule is whenever market reverses from the resistance, we short the market. But here there is a complication here. Okay, listen to me carefully, try to understand what is going on. Okay. So if we short the market here at the trend line, okay, then you can see that we have a immediate support available at 1.1800. This is the immediate support for the market, because yes, previously market broke the support, but immediately after a couple of hours market again regained the support. Therefore 1.1800 is still a valid resistance for the market. And if you short the market here, then you do not have a you can see that there is not much space here. Okay, there is not much space here. The space is very small and narrow. So right now Euro USD is trading in a very narrow range here, and generally whenever we get a setup like this, chart setup like this, then there is a good possibility of a huge breakout. Okay, and yes, there is a possibility of a breakout because as we all know, the US dollar is a big player in the forex market. USD, the DXY chart has got huge impact as well. So even if market reverses from the trend line here, I will tell you not to short the market, because you can clearly see on the chart that if you short the market here, then this will be your take profit target. So this is not a good position, because right now market is trading in a very narrow range here. On the other hand, if market crosses and comes down to the support line, so it may bounce or it may not bounce, because see, this is the first touch and this is the second touch. We still do not have the clarification whether this is a valid support or not. Okay, so right now what I'm trying to say is that right now Euro USD is trading in a very narrow range here, so wait for a couple of hours. Why? Let me show you. See, this is the economic calendar. Okay, in the economic calendar, you'll find the economic calendar online easily, and you can also find the economic calendar on my website as well, avilashhazarika.com. In the economic calendar, you can see that two important high impact events are today: inflation rate and core inflation rate here, which is about to come out after 5 or 33 minutes. So if you want to know in detail, then just click here, you will get the complete information. So this economic calendar, okay, this economic calendar will tell you all the high impact events. So today we have got high impact event, and this will be impacting the US dollar. And this is the chart of US dollar in front of us right now. And if you have watched my previous video, then you know it pretty well that this was the resistance and we were expecting the market to go down. Yes, as per our expectation, market did go down, but right now you can see that US dollar also has a support in the form of this trend line here. So in case market bounces from the trend line, then there's a good possibility of US dollar breaking this support here. So whenever we get a setup like this, whenever we get an ascending triangle pattern like this, there is a resistance and market constantly forms higher lows, then usually there is a breakout towards the upside. So in this scenario of US dollar, there is a good possibility of market going up from here, market breaking out this resistance if the event or the news supports the chart of the market. Okay, so if dollar starts going up, or if you see some good upward movement on the dollar, then you will see selling on the euro. On the other hand, if dollar starts going down after the event, then there will be good up move on the euro USD, because they are correlated. So, and right now market is trading in a very narrow range here. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, and trade wisely. And if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, this is the forex sentiment meter. You can see that 51% retail traders have taken short position and 48% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are also in dilemma. They are also confused right now in which direction market will move. So from the sentiment of the retail traders also, we do not have any clarification about the direction of the market. And in a scenario like this where the pro trader membership, okay, helps you. This is a pro trader membership that I have launched recently, last month, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. Okay, if you want to know more in detail, just go to the pro trader section on my website. You'll find all the information here. So wait for the market to give you a proper direction. After a couple of hours, US dollar will be volatile, and if dollar gives you a breakout towards the upside, then definitely you can go for shorting euro USD. On the other hand, if dollar goes down, then there will be good buying on the euro USD. So whatever, keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar as well as the euro USD. Right now, even if it reverses from here, don't do anything. Don't do anything. Just wait for the perfect opportunity. Wait for the perfect timing. Just like yesterday, you made money. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood that right now we have nothing much to do here. So bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again. All the best.